We're getting all the spicy shots, boys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you're new here, my name is Chris. We do Mark 7 GTI content. We're building my Mark 7 on this channel, so if that's something that interests you, go down there, hit that subscribe button right now.
And if you'll peep this mic,
I'm trying not to lav mic. I'm filming on the GoPro this whole time, so sorry if it looks weird. So today we're doing a POV rip. We're gonna go rip. We're gonna go race. We're gonna go
cause some mayhem,
and we're gonna do it at night. So theoretically, I'm gonna be rocking a head mount for this one. Anyway, let's get it. Welcome to our onboard experience. All right, we'll let her get warmed up. Now we'll rip. And for those who don't know, the last video where our Karen neighbor freaked out, that was right here. Right there. So we're not gonna rip right here. We're gonna start right after this. Doesn't this sound crazy? Like through the mountains and shit? Let's go! Bro, driving this thing like through roads like this is like a workout. Like can't pull and forth because the clutch is so bad. Stock clutch life, bro. She's on her last limbs. She's a tough girl. Hanging in for dear life. This thing's gonna absolutely rip with like a heavy clutch. Oh, I can't wait. We gotta hit some burbles for the boys. They'd be disappointed if I didn't. Just kill this car real quick. Oh shit. That shit never gets old, dude. Left a little shit in my pantaloons. Oh my god, I fucking love this thing, dude. Whew. Oh, it makes you feel so good. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Let me know down below if you guys like the POV style like night videos, because if you can't really see that well and it's kind of just more like sounds, then let me know. If you'd rather see, I do both, but I figured we could try a night one because I've seen a couple and they look kind of sick. The problem is, I want to get more like roll racing kind of videos around here and shit like that, but there's just nobody around here that actually builds cars, so it's pretty much just like, if I can happen to find people out and about. But we gonna send it. We still gonna make a good video. And I mean, if you can make something out of nothing, then can't really lose. We're in what you might call a construction zone, and the road is literally like a riverbed. What? sauce?
Oh yeah, I want some sauce.
Oh.
Oh, shove it here, Dad. Hey, one more time. Show me your cat. Fuck yeah.
We're getting all the spicy shots, boys. Alrighty, bros. If you made it to this portion of the video, it's really hot in the car and I am sweating. I hope you guys had a good time. This was a short video, and if you like the night POV, go let me know down in the comments. Please, if you like the video, go smash that like button. Say something funny in the comments for me. Today's episode is dedicated, if you can make something out of nothing, then you can't lose. And you know what? If you put everything that you have coming from what you love back into what you are doing, you can't fucking lose, bro.
You were screaming.
Oh yeah, true.
Like screaming.
Last week's video will be right here. wait. Let's end this video off really quietly. Last video will be right here or right here. The like button will be right here. And as always, keep it real. Just keep driving, and your boy will catch you in the next one. Peace.
Know that the ride or die. I keep waiting on my seat. Know that the ride or die.